Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can share a TikTok video to all your friends on TikTok at the same time. So guys, it's possible. I'm going to be showing you guys because sometimes when we're going through videos on TikTok, sometimes we get interest on a particular video and we feel like sending them to our friends. Sometimes we don't know how to do that, but I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So make sure you watch to the end of this video so you get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, once your TikTok app opens, this is what your TikTok interface looks like. You can keep scrolling downwards to see other videos. So guys, let's say we want to share this video right here to all our friends at the same time. All we have to do is to tap on the share button. You can see there the share icon, tap on it. So guys, over here we have three sections: this one, the first one, the middle one and the lower one. So guys, for you now to share this particular video to all your friends on TikTok at the same time, all you have to do is to tap on the icon where it is written TikTok friends. You can see it there, the red icon. You tap on it. So guys, as you can see, it's loading up all my friends. You can see all my friends on TikTok right there. So if I want to send this video to all of them, all I have to do is to tick all the friends that I have here. Just tick all of them, keep ticking. So once you're done ticking, you can see I ticked 11 persons. So if I want to send this video now, all I have to do is to tap on send. Then these videos will be sent to all my friends at the same time. Also, if I want to type in a particular message to them, maybe ask them to watch the video, I can go ahead to write a message. Please watch the video. Watch the video and tell me what you think. What do you think about it? So guys, if I want to send this video to them with this message alongside, they will all receive the video and the message at the same time. So guys, let me tap on send. Guys, I don't want to send this video to all my friends. I'm just showing you guys for the purpose of this tutorial, so you can see that you can actually send the video to all your friends on TikTok. So guys, let me go ahead to untick all of them. So I'll be sending it to just one of my friends. Let me send it to Phonomobile. So guys, I'm going to sending it to just one person, which is Phonomobile. So let me tap on send so that it's going to be sent to the person. So guys, you can see sending to Phonomobile. I can actually undo if I want to. So guys, this is how you send a video to all your friends at the same time on TikTok. So guys, I've come to the end of my video and I believe you've got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.